Welcome to MAT 105, the history of graphic design. I'm Greg Kelly, and I'll be your host for this class, in which we survey the origin and evolution of graphic design from the 19th century to the present day. In this class, we'll explore the development and influence of graphic communication through genre, style, design, and format from historical, multicultural, and global perspectives. Here we are in Canvas, our content management system for this class, and here we are on the home page. You might want to take some time to read a little bit about what graphic design is and how it communicates messages through the juxtaposition of words and images. So let's take an overview of our virtual classroom. We see the menu items here on the left of the various sections in Canvas. Let's start by looking at the syllabus. So I'll just click that link, and that takes me to the syllabus. And here's my contact information, my email address if you need to contact me. You may want to take a look at my faculty website that has information about the classes I teach, as well as other information about graphic design. Be sure to have a look at the Media, Arts, and Technologies website that gives more information about the classes we teach in this department. Be sure to have a look at the description of the class. This class also satisfies the humanities or general arts general education requirements for transfer to the California State University as well as the University of California. Be sure to have a look at the objectives for the class. These are the things that we'll be learning in class, as well as the student learning outcomes, which are the outcomes that you'll be able to do when you completed this class. Have a look at some of the instructor contact requirements here. The required reading for this class is Graphic Design, A New History. Just click that link and that will show you the textbook on Amazon. You can buy that there if you'd like. Or the Oceanside Campus Library has this textbook on reserve for use in the library. And then just click that link there for information about that. So there's our textbook. You can use it in the library. Also some books on recommended reading if you'd like to learn a little bit more about graphic design. The grading for this class is based on some assignments, usually just one assignment a week, as well as a project and some exams. And we'll be going into more detail about that later. This is our schedule, just an overview of what we'll be covering each week, the topics. Also be sure to have a look at attendance in the online classroom. And for student services, be sure to let me know if you need any special help with the class that I can accommodate you. Here's a list of important dates that you should be aware of when the semester begins, the last day to add, drop, and so on. I've also included a printable syllabus for you. Just click that PDF link and that will open up. Also, here's a course summary of when the various assignments are due, which is a helpful little summary there for you. So there's our syllabus, just an overview of what the class will be about. Going back to our main menu, I'll click on the announcements link. Each week I'll be sending out announcements about the assignments. On Mondays I generally send out an announcement introducing the topic a random announcement. Overview of what we'll be studying, and also a link to the assignment view, and you can also access it here in the main menu. I'll click on modules. This is where you will find the week's assignment. You can see that each module is divided up into the week. So week 1 is August 21st to the 27th. And then just click that down arrow. Each week's assignment will unlock on the Monday of that week. I'll click that link there, and that takes me into the assignment. And I'll be going into these assignments in detail a little bit later on in another video. But this is basically what each assignment looks like. Also, you'll be turning in your assignments through the discussion board, which has a link within each assignment module. But if you just want to access the discussion board, you can do so from the main menu. Also, you'll be working on a museum exhibition project for this class. You'll be creating a museum exhibition on a specific topic of graphic design. It's due at the end of the semester, which is December 10th, so you have plenty of time to work on it. And you'll be working on it in phases. So every 4 weeks you'll have a phase due. Gives you plenty of time to work on the project. So again, the project is due the last week of class. So you might want to have a look at that and get prepared for that. But you'll have plenty of time in the class to work on that project. Also, be sure to have a look at the Research Tools section here, which gives you information about how to do research for this class. Each week you'll be working on a small research project, so you'll be sure to want to take advantage of the tools that the library has here at MiraCosta. Be sure to have a look at that. Also, have a look at this video that gives you an overview of how to use the research tools in the library for this class. Also, be sure to have a look at these various subjects and topics about doing research, using the library catalog for books and e-books, also using the databases for research, very important. And also be sure to have a look at the example of bibliography that you'll be required to use in this class. And there are various resources that the library has for you. EasyBib is one. Zotero is another. You may want to use Zotero and have a look at this video that I've made and how it can help you do research and create a bibliography for this class. So be sure to have a look at the research links to various things on graphic design. Here's the American Institute of Graphic Design, the San Diego chapter, but various links related to graphic design. Also links to various graphic designers, past and present. Links to museums around the world, general art museums, as well as museums on graphic design. Also some links for researching and writing, as well as employment. And then also the main menu has a link to various grades, or to your grades when you want to check those. So there's a brief overview of our class and the content management system. I'm really looking forward to an exciting class, and I can't wait to see you all in our virtual classroom.